In the fast-paced digital world, Facebook stands as a titan not just for staying connected, but also for generating income. With its vast user base, this platform offers unique opportunities for everyone, including entrepreneurs and creatives, to turn their hobbies or skills into revenue streams. In this guide, we'll explore various methods to earn money on Facebook and help you turn your online presence into profit. First, establishing a business page is essential to creating a professional identity on Facebook. Begin by selecting a niche that resonates with your passion and expertise. Whether it's arts and crafts or fitness coaching, a well-optimized page features high-quality profile and cover photos and an informative About section that details your offerings. Don't overlook the importance of a clear call-to-action button, guiding visitors towards engaging with your services directly, such as making a purchase or visiting your website. Next, delve into Facebook groups to enhance community engagement. Joining relevant groups allows you to assimilate into a network of like-minded individuals, where sharing valuable insights can elevate your visibility. Alternatively, consider starting your own group focused on your niche, fostering a community that shares exclusive content and discussions. Monetization strategies in groups can include charging membership fees for premium content or working with brands to feature sponsored posts, allowing for direct income opportunities. The Facebook Marketplace is another avenue worth exploring, where you can sell handmade items or vintage products. Attract buyers by ensuring listings feature high-quality images and detailed descriptions that clearly outline the benefits of each item. This not only draws attention, but can also expedite sales, as customers appreciate honest representations of products. Utilizing Facebook ads can amplify your reach remarkably. Starting with a modest budget lets you experiment with various ad formats, including image, video, and carousel ads, targeting specific demographics and interests. Fine-tuning your audience settings ensures your promotions speak directly to those most likely to convert. Each ad serves as a tool to showcase your brand or products creatively and effectively. Affiliate marketing presents yet another profitable method. By joining relevant affiliate programs, you can promote products through engaging posts that emphasize their value. Supplement your efforts with compelling visuals and authentic testimonials to entice clicks, while tracking performance via unique links to evaluate and refine your strategies accordingly. Lastly, sharing your expertise through online courses or webinars can establish you as an authority in your field. Utilize Facebook to promote these learning opportunities, transforming your knowledge into a valuable income source.